So we're on round 2. We're trying to catch the mommy fishy. Oh my gosh, reel it in, Morgan. Look at you.
Got a bigger one, that
Oh.
Get her.
Do you want, why don't we just leave that one go back in, huh? Should we do catch and release this time?
Yeah. Push that one back in the water.
But you did good, you caught another one.
Fish. Let Grandpa straighten your hook off.
You're not sure what to think of it, huh? Do you want to get up and look at it? Here, you give Grandpa your rod.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Yeah, you go push it back in the water with your foot.
No. I want you to pick it up and just roll back in.
You do? You don't want to just give it a push with your foot?
No.
Here. You want Mommy to do it?
Yeah.
Well, they're getting bigger, aren't they?
Yeah, that one's bigger.
There he goes.
Now you want a real big one, you gotta throw it out further, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was an awesome cast.
That's a good
That was a really good cast. Remember, you have to do one crank on it now so that it tightens a little bit.
Aren't we supposed to be fishing here?
Yeah. There you go. Good job, big guy.
All the fishes are up there.
I see what you see.
Wow, you are such a good fisherman, Morgan.
And I don't know where's our fishy.
Which other fishy?
Those are big, huge fish.
I think you casted far enough out that you might just get a big, huge fishy.
Why?
That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
Can you hold it?
Why do you want me to hold it?
I think I had a bite.
You think you have a bite
I
already?
don't think you got one yet.
I think we've got to leave it out there for just a little bit longer.
Let's roll it up and
Here, let Mommy feel.
take one. Okay?
No, you don't have anything yet. See how loose the string is? That tells us there's nothing on there yet. Are you liking this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is fishing kind of fun?
Yeah. It's Iron Man.
Batman.
And to hold it, you have a really good grip.
You have a good grip.
But when you two hold it, you have a better grip.
Are you tired of holding your reel already?
No. You're going to roll it.
I think you're doing excellent.
I think I have a bite.
You don't want to make too much noise.
When you fish more. You gotta have patience.
Let's sit down again. That's when we seem to get them.
Why?
Okay, bud. Round 3.